What's going on, squad? Today we're going to cover the rear delt pull on the Isochain. This is very similar to the seated row. It's just that the angle's a little higher, so I'm going to go right into it. All right, guys, the first difference between these are the chain link. The chain link is a lot shorter on the rear delt pull than the seated row. The reasoning is because you want your arms pretty much straight. So I'm going to show you the hand positioning. So we want a overhand position here. So you see, like normally with the seated row, we're here, or if we have a shortened chain length, we're here, and if we have a higher chain length, we're here. But we've never been this far back. You see this? All right, so now that we're here, this is the seated row elbow height. This is the rear delt elbow height. So notice that we're up a little bit. All right, so right now I'm on chain link 2. So what I'm gonna do is pull up, and I'm gonna show you guys with a edit on the screen the direction that the pull is going in. Ready? And pull. Okay, so right now where I feel that is in the back of my shoulder blades, like I'm trying to pinch something here in between my shoulder blades. That's where you want to feel it. If you feel it here in like the lat, like when you're pulling, the angle is too low and we're doing a seated row. So it has to make sure that we're up this way. I'm going to show you guys in a couple different angles now. From the side, overhand grip, hands are up, pulling up. And you really feel your rear delts contract here. Like, but remember, it has to be up. This is very similar to performing the face pull exercise with the row in the weight room. It's a cable setup. It's just like that. If you're performing this exercise correctly, then it should feel like a face pull if you perform that exercise in the weight room. I'm gonna show you guys from another angle. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys, this is row here. This is rear delt pull. One last angle for you. Overhand grip here. This is row. This is the rear delt pull. Quick tip for us, make sure that we have our core contracted. That is going to actually stabilize ourselves and make sure that we don't drop the bar, that we're stuck in this position, the correct position as we're pulling up. Remember, this is working the rear delt, so we're getting this motion, only we're holding it here. You see the difference between here and here? Row, rear delt. So just remember, the row, the chain link is going to be a little higher up. The rear delt, you're almost at like deadlift numbers. You're almost at like either chain link 1 or 2 because your arms should be either straight or slightly bent. Give this one a shot. Practice first. Practice first. If you perform the rear delt fly exercise in the weight room, it's a pin selected machine, or if you've done the rope pull with the cables, you know exactly what your rear delts feel like when you perform that movement. Perform this exercise correctly and it feels just like those exercises. All right, guys, hopefully you found this valuable. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Peace.